I'm Nicole Thomas, Vice President of Information Services for McKeany-Flavell. Like many of you, I'm hunkered down in my home office, watching these wild markets and trying to catch my breath. No one can deny that recent activity in the edible oils market has been crazy. We've gone from feast to famine in terms of supply and, of course, prices. The world of agriculture continues to evolve, and the same is true of edible oils markets. The old school game has new rules, making ingredient buying much more complicated. A buyer now has to consider biofuels, wide-ranging industry developments, and global competition. Soybean oil, an essential ingredient in food manufacturing, has become critical to the energy sector and biofuels. Crush and refining capacities for soybean and canola oils are grinding upward to meet this growing demand. On the global stage, oil production and increasing consumption are making developments in South America and Asia equally important as what's happening in the US. Users of tropical oils, including palm, are faced with issues of supply and transportation, both of which can be impactful to prices. Throw in a pandemic, ongoing supply limitations, and volatility, and we have the perfect storm of uncomfortable and unfamiliar factors that are meaningful to all market participants in food service, manufacturing, co-packing, and processing. Playing the game when the rules are changing requires a new game plan. Everyone is searching for better intelligence, an edge, and a stronger strategy for navigating these markets. That's exactly where McKeany-Flavell can help. Whether it's supply assurance, interpreting fundamental and technical factors, or just getting the best price possible under the circumstances, we have answers to your questions and solutions for your challenges. We offer a breadth of sourcing options for a variety of oil types, including soybean, canola, corn, sunflower and safflower, and tropical oils. Considering your plant's location geographically, we can help you align with suppliers best suited for your site and volume of usage. Would your company benefit from an all-inclusive personal expert to develop edible oil procurement strategies? We can help through our dedicated Procurement Assist program. Looking for some intel and a better understanding of market conditions, but on a budget? We have a solution for you there. Our IQ Ingredient Intelligence platform with a Plus level subscription offers 24/7 digital access to a comprehensive monthly edible oils report, along with regular, informative, real-time commentaries on what's happening in the edible oils markets, as well as those that influence them. Are you completely new to buying edible oil and interested in a quick crash course of everything there is to know about the subject? Learn more about our Edible Oils 101 seminar, covering A to Z fundamentals, applications, and pricing dynamics for these markets. The bottom line, that's what you're worried about, right? Well, our bottom line is we provide flexible and dynamic solutions to any size company. Give us a call. It won't cost you a thing to learn more.